the shirt may look familiar, but it's the same day. And I apologize if you hear the lawnmower. I'll try to edit that out. But the Camaro today, we ended up blowing the clutch line in this. Now, it is unfortunate. So yeah, let's get under the car real quick and let's take a look at what we're working with here. So oil pan here, okay? Now, these lines go into the trans, okay? So these AN lines are going into the trans. These are -4 lines, okay? They're going in the bell housing. So with this adapter, I'm gonna have to drop the trans to get to them. It is unfortunate, but this whole thing needs, you can see it dripping here. The line blew out. So, yeah. It is very unfortunate, but it's up in there. I don't even know if I can get up in there. You can't really, but it's up in the bell housing. So I would have to take all the bolts off, take the exhaust off, drop this cross member, I believe, just piece by piece. If that's something you guys want to see, I could do it, make it into a video. If you're interested in dropping this transmission with me for some, you know, entertainment. But I think a repair, if you were to pay somebody to do this, is looking like 25 to 30 grand to drop a transmission, which is insane. So yeah, I think I would probably actually not even drop it in the garage, but move it over here and put it on jack stands, and it would just sit and lay. That's kind of where I'm at with it. So yeah, I'm leaning about doing it myself, honestly, and just being done. But yeah, it's unfortunate. See on this, which is crazy how it blew. I don't know how it blew or what blew, but something in the bell housing is blown. And it is unfortunate. It's just going to be a lot of work. So if you guys are interested in seeing a lot of work, I would be down to film it. Because we also got to do carpet, seats, got seats on the way, all that shit. So, you know, might as well upgrade some things, add some stuff, redo the interior. I want to dye the carpet. I want to wire some stuff up. There's a lot of shit to do. So, yeah, you guys let me know. All right, so fuck that last clip. I'm acting like a fucking bitch. So I'm gonna swap this shit my fucking self. And we're gonna do a whole build series on this fucking thing. So we're gonna rip the interior out, we're gonna rip the dash out, we're gonna fucking go crazy on this thing. So this whole carpet's coming out, these seats are fucking coming out. And this car is gonna be down for quite a long time. So the next time we see this thing, a full build is gonna be going on. It's gonna have a fucking radio. I'm gonna do it. I don't have a lot of experience, especially with this car, but fuck it. Let's fucking do this. We got the interior out. We are stripped down. I think our next step, realistically, is to vacuum all this out. You know, clean up. We need to get the car in the air, realistically, here soon to drop the trans. Just because that's going to take the longest time, I feel. And we already have insulation underneath there for inside the car. So we're good on that. So, oh. And I also, for the carpet, I'm not buying a new carpet because fuck that, dude. Who wants to do all that? I got some of this shit here. Vinyl and fabric. We're gonna clean the carpet and we're gonna spray that shit down. Yeah, that is what we are gonna do here. So this carpet is gonna be black. We have new seats coming in. I think a lot of this is just kind of like buttoning up and cleaning a lot of this junk up. I gotta find the radio wires, and I believe they're probably somewhat here. If I were to guess, of those cut ones, a lot of cut wires. So I gotta figure that out. There's a lot of shit I gotta figure out, dude. It's overwhelming, but I think it's just one day at a time. So, yeah. For today, we just take the interior out and we clean. All right. I think the last thing for this episode is I'm just gonna take these bolts off for the first episode. Oh my god, I knocked you over. Yeah. All right, now we can see inside there. Guess we'll see how far we could get with this. I guess. All right. This is going to be the second installment of reviving this shitbox Camaro. Now, we didn't get a fuck ton done that first episode. Dude, it smells like shit in this car. What the fuck? Probably because of that. But, yeah. We started here laying down some of this matting. But I think for today, we're going to take a break from pretty much dyeing the carpet and laying down interior stuff. And we're going to actually get this car up in the air and ready. Now, the main issue here is we have to drop the transmission, which is unfortunate. And I'm hoping, dude, this fucking ass hood. The previous owner installed these upside down. This and this. What the heck? I don't know. Anyways, yeah. So we have to pull the trans. So yeah, let's get this car up on all fours. These were not super tight. Cool. So hot. Okay, this is why you go through cars. So, underneath the car, don't worry, there's still jack stands here. This is the fuel filter, right? You notice anything? Leaking? Yeah, the fuel filter is fucking leaking on this. They're not tight. At all. So I've been leaking fuel as well. Yeah, very unfortunate, dude. This car turned out to be rough. Very rough. Everything is loose. Yeah. So I'm gonna set it down. And yeah, it is just kind of unfortunate, you know, but yeah. Little fail safe, I guess. These old cars sketch me out, dude. I'm gonna take these rear wheels off and throw them underneath. Yeah, you can never be too careful on these old cars. I'm being so for real. So when I'm underneath this thing, every precaution, but pretty steady. But yeah, I mean, besides, you know, the trans blowing out and now a fuel filter leak. And yeah, man, this car needs to come apart, like all the way. I do have the 6-ton jack stands in the front. I think, I don't know. I do want to take the rear wheels off and adjust the suspension, but I think right now that's not really a concern. I think the biggest concern is, yeah, getting this transmission dropped, or at least started on. Yeah, very disappointing so far. All right, motor the car. I'm just gonna loosen all the exhaust bolts. So I'm gonna leave the headers in the car, I think. That might be the easiest. Maybe. I'm gonna try to leave the headers in the car, and I'm gonna take everything off from back here. I want to say I could do that. Space wise, I'm not sure. This is my bell housing. I don't know. It's definitely gonna be tight, but my goal is to leave the fucking headers in. Yo, I'm underneath the car. Get a load of this. This is a fuel line, bro. It's zip tied. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. We have a zip tied fuel line. All right, if you guys are new to this series, this is reviving my shitbox Camaro that failed me in one drive. So yeah, if you don't know what happened, I basically blew my transmission line, my fuel line blew, and yeah, now we are, see, and you know, now we have no interior, nothing. Yeah, we have to pull the transmission, redo the fuel filter and lines. Yeah, bought this off Facebook Marketplace and it failed in the first drive. So I am going to fix this. So if you guys are interested in watching this, yeah, come to my YouTube and I'll be posting some on here. But kind of fucking crazy, dude. First drive failed.